We have a Tesla S85 with 71,000 miles on it. This vehicle is stripped of the rear drive unit with axles and the 85 kilowatt battery pack. Do a quick walk around this vehicle. It was not in a collision damage. Again, this vehicle did not have any collision damage on it. Beautiful vehicle to rebuild, install a battery pack and a drive unit and get it on its way. We personally drove the vehicle around on the highway. It drives beautifully without any error codes on these systems. Tires are like new. Rims are awesome also. Let's do a visual of the interior here. It's in very clean condition. The screen is free of any bubbles or defects.